No. But me not fighting no more, Cheryl. I'm gonna let Father God fight my battles for me.
True. You will.
Me, City.
City.
This,
Yeah, go down by your knee, girl.
Cheryl, this. This, Cheryl, this. I blow off the New Tech, the Holy Bible. This, Cheryl,
You go by your
I
knee,
gotta
girl.
start talking for me. I gotta read a psalm to you. Every night, you have to go down watch. You and them.
You
All
get
of
up?
them. Them know themselves. This me I start read for them, man. Open the chapter, man. Should have the Almighty. Send it back to the sender. Go and pray for you. Yeah. Father gotta root them up. Surely the obstacle I'm going to move or more happiness, more peace a full time. No. Get rid of R for me, Jesus. I'm tired of R. You need that. If you get rid of your count of demons, the force of darkness. Surely it's a big obstacle in a Rosealee way. You are the problem. You. And you are sending them come. All the attacks when me I got prison, everything are you. 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 Behind it all. And today, I finally come to the conclusion. Because your name not supposed to mention because you're not a part. You wasn't a part of your name should mention because you're not a part of the discussion. It's a gift upon TikTok. You're reaching a family affair.
Chat, the meeting was going on and the meeting not going. They asked, so Mr. Beckford, you have any problem with Miss Dixon having any supervised visit? You have any problem with the children staying by their mother's house? My answer is no. She can't tell you. I said no, I'm not a problem. The issue with me have is she a question the children them about adult stuff. She a involve the children in adult reasoning on live. Shanta already I get dragged on the internet. She's doing that to her own daughter. She dropping. Who me a question the people about? Who me a question people about? So same time, the Guardian, which is yellow, say I chose June. When I ask Shanta about stepmother which and mention Cheryl, I chose June and you mention Cheryl to Shanta. Cheryl over. Cheryl over. Cheryl in the body. Cheryl in the body. Cheryl the writer, sir. Cheryl the writer, sir. We're not talking about Cheryl for. We're not talking about Cheryl for. Cheryl the writer, sir. Cheryl the picnic, sir. We're not talking about Cheryl for. And from that local part there, you know, a whole heap of things reason about in the class in the place. Whole heap of things reason about in the meeting. And I just say one negative point I will say, don't question the children about no stepmother and about Cheryl and from this so it does turn upside down. I'm ready now. I'm ready, miss, and the meeting we finish. I'm ready now. I come talk about Cheryl in the body. So I eat the woman. I eat the you shut up on her life and you bring no joy to my soul. What kind of joy Cheryl for bring to your soul? Oh that, I understand that. Oh joy for come to your soul by Cheryl. I ain't a woman when me I deal with. Oh, Cheryl gonna bring joy to your soul. When I get that. A whole heap of things reason about, a lot of things reason about in the rascal meeting. And just you me go say, don't question the children them, bonus this and that and I'm gonna say and yellow gonna say Cheryl and Ray. Me bumbo blood clot. ready. Me say we don't talk. One left out of so. Sharing nobody. We sharing. So I eat the bitch. You hear she talk with the accent and she's nice and she brings no joy to my soul. And she brings no joy to my soul. It's up at the office, the government office, the CDA office. And she's nobody. Miss ready. I don't talk. I'm ready. 4 persons and 2 little innocent would have nothing to do with it. And you involve the 2 little innocent them. The 4 people that were involved in the life mashing up. And me, you, Shit Kim, and Alia. And the 2 little innocent them we get caught up in it, Ashanta and Barbar. I remember good. And you claim to say you get hurt and threaten the 2 little innocent them life. You did that. Cheryl was nowhere in the picture. So Cheryl mashed up your life. And I'm not being disrespectful because I'm done with that. I like with that. Big man thing. We've been done do the inhumane reasoning and the inhumane behavior. I like with that. I'm not going to go up under you and I'm not going to do that. I like with that. You see it? Me done after that. But I can address it the right way. You see it? We don't pan that no more. We don't pan that. I can address the youth. Just look into yourself and find your fucking self, brother. Look into yourself and find yourself. That's easy to do. You know? Look into yourself and find yourself. As well the people in the meeting today. The children, them love you. Them love me. They don't have to do it. So just do it for them. Because you love them, them love you. No matter how you go, like say, you're picky. Me know you. You love your 2 penny them equally. You love your 2 of them like that. So just think about them one time before any little move you're going to make, any little, decision you're going to make. You think about your kids, how it's going to affect them and everything before you make your decision. You get me? Not because Sharon name come up on the reasoning in the office today. You gotta do that. No man, Sharon had nothing to do with me are breaking up. And she worse than had nothing to do with me and you getting back. You see it? Me are breaking up, all have to do with me and you. Me are getting back, all have to do with me and you. You get me? The getting back part, all have to do with you. And you push everything out the door. Everything outside when it comes to getting back. When it comes to getting back, you push everything outside. You see it? When it comes to the getting back to get that part, you push everything out the door. There is no getting back. The most thing or the best thing we can do in the far future, not even the close future. The best thing we can do in the far future is to coexist. You see, for the sake of the children. So in the far future, when you find yourself, You understand? I know if you deal with people and your kids and yourself, them time we can think about coexisting. You see it? So I have to go give you that in the far future. The far future. You see it? Yeah. Because I have to give you time to find yourself. I have to give you enough time to recuperate, gather yourself.